Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to crop the image in Photoshop. So to crop the image, we have to select the tool name called crop. This is the crop tool. Select the crop tool and then you can just draw from the left corner towards right. Whichever the image you want to crop, you just draw as a rectangle or square. So now you can increase or decrease the size, or by keeping the mouse inside the image, you can just move your image back and forth. And now at last, you can press enter or press this tick mark. Now you crop the image, you can save your file. Thank you.